lifeofmilaB, and welcome back to another video. So as you know, I dropped some merchandise. Yes, I did. The line is called Be Drippy. It is on Etsy, so if you want to go copy you a shirt, go copy you one. But this video is all about the photo shoot that I had in preparation for dropping the line. So without further ado, let's go get into it. Do it yourself photo shoot, but not your own pictures. That's exactly what I'm coming to give you, some tips, some tricks, and just to let you know how I did mine. And of course, I want to give a big shout out to all of my lovely models. Some are my clients, some are my really good friends. So they all came through and they helped me out, and I couldn't be more pleased with the pictures. So, first things first, your models. I used my friends. If you want an influencer, because I know right now we're in the age of influencing, and you know, me being an influencer myself, I definitely understand. But some influencers may want the shirt for free, or you may have to pay some influencers. So I went ahead and asked my friends, because if they're your real friends, you know, they're gonna help you out. So that's where I got my models from. And I thought of a central, neutral location for all of us to park at without having to pay to park, and just all meet, vibe, and enjoy ourselves. So yeah, that's tip number one, models, where you get your models from. I use my friends. Tip number two is your camera, your equipment. I have a vlogging camera. I have the Canon G7X. So I definitely watched some YouTube videos on how to learn the settings of the camera and what to put it on and how to capture and blur the background, etc., etc. So that's exactly what I did, and I pretty much used my own camera. I didn't have any fancy light reflector thingies or any lights. I chose a super hot day. The day was super hot. It was like 80 degrees. We were all sweating bullets, but we all had fun. So I used the natural light because I am not a photographer. So I didn't buy all that good stuff. And plus, your girl's on a budget, so she had to use what she could work with. So yes, I used my own personal vlogging camera. And then I just brought my tripod that I would normally record on, and I brought it to my second shoot at my parents' house. And that's how I got some of the walking scenes for our commercial video. So that is tip number two, equipment and what I used. Tip number three is, of course, the merch. What are your models going to wear? Because I only have t-shirts at the moment, I got their shirt size, and I told them what colors that they were going to wear. I have 4 colors on my line. I have gray, white, black, and yellow. And because I wanted, this brand is just about being you and embracing you and just doing you, basically. I wanted them to dress it up how they want to dress up. Some people came in jeans, some people came in leggings and workout wear, some people came in shorts. I mean, you could really style the shirt how you wanted. So that is why I gave my models a heads up on what colors that they were going to be wearing. And tip number 4 is the blueprint. And when I mean blueprint, I mean what poses, what frames, what angles, what shots are you looking for? Y'all, I went to different t-shirt brands, or just brands in general that sell merchandise, and I looked at their angles they were taking pictures from. I looked at some of their ideas, how they incorporated diversity, how they incorporated the men, the women, the children. I did my research, and I had different blueprints, as in thoughts and ideas of what I wanted to accomplish and how I wanted people to pose before I even had to shoot. So I think that also is kind of what made the shoot better too, because I didn't get there and wing it. I already had in my head what I wanted. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I did wing some parts. I did. But for the most part, I already knew what I wanted in my head and who I wanted and the different side views of my models that I liked and different poses that I knew that they could achieve. So I think that's also was a good advantage too, is because my models are my friends. So I already knew who had a good side view. I already knew who can take a picture straight on. I already knew these things going into it. So that also helped me out as well. So yeah, that is tip number 4, blueprints, because you don't want to waste anyone's time. You never want to waste anyone's time. So if your friends are also doing you this favor, you want to come ready, you want to know what's going on, how you want to attack it, boom, get in, get done, out. And the 5th and final tip, editing. I did the photo shoot. Who's gonna edit the pictures? I can't just have raw, unedited pictures. So I learned Lightroom. I'm actually really proud of myself for learning Lightroom. I learned Adobe Lightroom. I downloaded it. I looked at some YouTube videos, researched it, and I only looked up what I needed to know, which was how to do the settings on the pictures, how to blur out certain things, how to remove objects in the background. So I learned the things that I wanted to learn and what I wanted to know. And Adobe is $10.99 a month. Adobe Lightroom is $10.99 a month. And because I knew this photo shoot for me right now was a one-time thing at the moment, I did the 7-day free trial. I edited all the pictures that I wanted within that 7 days, and then I ended the subscription. Now, being that I know it's $10 a month, I can just easily pay $10 for 1 month whenever I do need it, when I have future photo shoots, and then cancel the subscription. So easy. But my pictures came out bomb. The footage that I got from both shoots came out bomb for the video commercial. I mean, I can't wait to drop these pictures. Follow me on Instagram. You can follow my business page, MilaB Tumbles, or you can follow me, Life of MilaB, because I am dropping these gems for you on both pages and the merch on both pages, so you can see what these photos look like in the commercial. So yes, yes, yes. So yeah, those are my 5 tips for you on do-it-yourself photo shoot with your merchandise, with your merch, and how I did my photo shoot myself with my friends. So yeah, that's just one video of many coming to you on my journey, of my merchandise journey. So you guys are into do, like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Bye.